nje ukuthi lo hola 2800 ukahle. Lo hola 83000 akasikahle akangetelwe lo. Sitoma shwelete namhla basi wonke umuntu oshona la. Ngisho ukuthi enzaweni yakhe utholile ucingo lo lengikhuluma ngalo. Nani ngofakazi mhlonishwa minister namhla e-office kupathetic. Akusebenzeka uhambeki because labantu abeni nibakhohliwe. Nazo nathi unextend ukuthi nile public service, nile finance, nile economic planning, sine sifakela 10%. Lo wathi uniboshethe onzawo siyafakela ukuthi sinesebenza kwedlula wonke umuntu. On top of no 85 okuqoba 8.5. Sine siyaletela 10.5 for 18.5 plus 85%. This one is wrong and it should happen at your time, Honorable Minister. Nibayengile nathi nidabukela ngo-August. August lokudala ama-appeals akho. There is nothing like appeals. Niyani nje just buying time ukuthi kwenze le. But kusenza ke le. I just want you share. Ukuthi nathi selemkwenda labantu abebandla. Ku-wrong kakhulu. Ngabe umfawole 2.8 4000 uthole ngola kahle. Ngicela uyigcizelela zabambano ilungise. These are the people who make government's machine to move and to roll. Nilani khona khona nigqobethela angiyabamdlalo. Ningabathatheli basi angenze kule